this. Like for example, in the whole cardiovascular system, when we go through the index of the cardiovascular system, we have, yes, properties of the cardiac muscle fibers can be asked as an LAQ. Can be asked as a very important long answer question. Properties can be asked as an LAQ. We also have cardiac cycle, one of the most important, and this can be asked as an important LAQ for theory as well as practical. Heart sounds, again, very important. I'm just enumerating it so that you can take a screenshot later on so that we can understand what are the topics which will be important. Cardiac murmur is a practical topic, is an applied topic, and this will be asked mostly in the Viva. I don't think in theory, because this becomes a fourth year topic. Cardiac murmur. ECG, most important, can be asked as an LAQ. It can be asked as an LAQ. Of course, we have a physiology of a normal ECG, as well as abnormalities can be just remembered. We don't have an abnormal ECGs can be remembered. We have it in the first year right now. Vector is not commonly asked. Arrhythmia is again for only for Viva. And irregularities in the rhythm can be asked in the Viva. Not important for the theory. The effect of changes in the electrolyte concentration of the heart, not important. It is a script. Cardiac output, very important. One of the very important topics is the cardiac output. Cardiac output is important for the theory, important for the practicals. It is important for pathology next year. It is important for the medicine to be understood. Fourth year, final year, very important. Cardiac output. Heart lung preparation, not important. Cardiac function curves, not important. Heart rate, again, very important as an elective, as a long answer question. Heart rate, very important. Okay, you can take a screenshot right now. I'm just erasing it and flipping because we have next few topics again. Then we also have, right, hemodynamics is not very important for your for the first year. Arterial blood pressure, very important. It is also important for the practical because they will ask you to take the blood pressure, and is also important for the theory. How exactly blood pressures are controlled and all those mechanisms will be talking in this particular presentations. Venous pressure, not important. Capillary pressure, not important. So these becomes the important topics we will be going through in this particular series. We also have arterial pulse. Again, these many topics. Arterial pulse, not important. Venous pulse, not important. Coronary circulation is important in the anatomy, not important for physiology. Cerebral circulation, again, not important. Splanchnic, not important. Capillary, not important. Skeletal muscles, not important. Cutaneous circulation, not important. Fetal circulation is important for, anyway, short note is what we can say. Now this explains about how exactly the circulation in the fetus occurs. So initial wala, most of the topics are important. Hemorrhage, not important for the first year. Circulatory shock, heart failure, again, only important for your Viva. Cardiovascular adjustment during exercise, again, can be asked as a short note and in the Viva. Because we have certain concepts in this cardiovascular adjustment in the exercise that can be asked in Viva mostly. So this is a big topic. Last one, most of the topics are not that important. You can just take a screenshot of this so that you can understand कौन से topic करने हैं. We will be going through all so that we can understand things more conceptually. Now, when we have introduction to the cardiovascular system.